Seasonax allows you to choose and select individual years to display a seasonal pattern for. So for instance, let's look at oil. Let's say, for instance, we wanted to take out the COVID-19 impacted years on the oil market. And then we can see that oil has had particularly noteworthy seasonal weakness during October, November and December. But let's say we wanted to focus just on the COVID impacted years. We could then select the COVID impacted years and see actually that's been supportive for oil in contradiction to its normal seasonal trend. Using the select years to display feature is a great tool that Seasonax allows its users to screen out certain years while also including others as is their preference.